Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's prepare onion Manchurian. It is very tasty as gobi Manchurian. So without wasting time, let's start the video and check out the recipe. For this recipe, I have taken 2 medium-sized onions and I am going to cut 1.5 onion into small pieces and half onion lengthwise. Next, transfer the chopped onion into a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, salt to taste, little garam masala, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Mix well and add water little by little. Now again I am going to add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or maida. It will give a good binding if you add in this time. Next, heat enough oil in a kadai to deep fry the onions. Once the oil is hot, we will add small ball size of onions one by one and we will fry them until they are crispy on medium flame. Once done, take out from the oil and keep them on a paper towel. Similarly, I will make second batch. Next, take a small bowl. Into that I am going to add 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 4 tablespoons of water. Mix well and make sure there is no lumps. Next, we will mix all the sauces in a bowl. For that, I have taken 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. If you want more spicy, you can add 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce or tomato ketchup. Mix well and keep it aside. Next, take a pan and heat 2 tablespoons of oil in it. You can also take any heavy bottom kadai. Next, once the oil is heat, we need to add 5 to 6 finely chopped garlic, 1 finely chopped green chilli and sliced onion. Saute for few seconds and remember the flame should be on high. Next, I am going to add spring onions finely chopped. This is optional. Saute for few seconds and then add finely chopped capsicum. And then add sauces. Mix well and I am going to add little water. Cook it for a few seconds. Now we need to add cornstarch slurry, which we prepared earlier. Just to give a mix and then add. Mix well. Now the sauces are ready. Now we need to add fried onions. Mix well and turn off the flame. As you can see here, the onion Manchurian is ready to serve. Finally, just garnish with chopped spring onions. Serve hot and try it at home and enjoy with your family. If you like this recipe, please give a like to this video and share with your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.